Hello, my darlings, and welcome. Historically, witches' balls were made for protective purposes, but modern witches have adapted this practice to include all sorts of magical intentions and spell work. In this video, I'll be creating a witch's ball for good health and strength as part of my ongoing focus on improving my health. Let's do some magical crafting. While my witch's ball is focused on good health, you can make a ball for any purpose or intention that you wish to manifest. I'm using this large acrylic ornament ball that opens up and is easy to fill. However, there are lots of fillable glass ornaments and cork stoppered bottles that you could use as well if you don't want to use acrylic. The first item I'll be adding to my witch's ball is sunflowers. I'm adding 2 artificial flowers for decoration and a pop of yellow, and also some real dried sunflower petals. The sunflower is a vibrant symbol of life, vitality, and positive energy. In magical traditions, sunflowers are used to invoke happiness, strength, and good health. Including a sunflower in your spell ball can help draw in these uplifting and life-affirming energies. I'm also adding an acorn to symbolize strength and the potential to do great things. It represents the promise of new life and the strength to grow despite adversity. Including an acorn in a health spell invokes these qualities, encouraging the body to grow stronger and more resilient. I'll be adding sunstone for energy, vitality, and success. In a health spell, sunstone works to infuse the individual with a vibrant, revitalizing energy that supports physical health and emotional well-being. Next is carnelian for personal power. Carnelian is a stabilizing stone that restores vitality and motivation. It stimulates creativity and gives courage, promoting positive life choices and dispelling apathy. Also, a few apatite beads for willpower and their association with weight loss. Apatite stone is known for its connection to personal power and spiritual growth, and a clear quartz crystal to boost the other gemstones. Quartz crystal is a powerful healing stone, often regarded as a master healer. I'll be adding a lion charm to represent strength. The image of a lion represents courage, strength, and the power to overcome challenges. In magic, lions are often associated with personal power and resilience. I'll be adding pieces of a hospital wristband as a tag lock or an object that forges a strong link between myself and my magical intent. It's a symbol of healing and relates specifically to a period of illness I'm trying to recover from. Before I construct my witch's ball, a quick word from this video sponsor. This video is brought to you by my patrons. The Magical Crafting Patreon is a space where you can support my work and this channel. There are so many reasons to join. Patreon is where I share the monthly community sigil artwork and post notifications for all of my video content so you never miss an upload. Each month, I post reminders and links for my art live stream, my crafting live stream, and my monthly Plan With Me live stream, so you never miss a chance to hang out and craft with me. You can participate in polls and give feedback about what you'd like to see on the channel, and there are lots of rewards every month. Each month, I create and share a printable monthly mood board and digital wallpapers for your phone and tablet. I post a set of 4 printable planner sticker pages with a new monthly color scheme and theme. And I share a printable Book of Shadows page for my patrons. And all of my patrons have access to the large library of my earlier pages as well. In the higher tiers, you can become a pen pal or sigil spellbag patron. And a new reward tier is in the works and coming soon. There are so many reasons to join my Patreon community. I hope you'll visit at the link below the video. I decided to put the clear quartz crystal on a chain to hang inside the ball, and I attached the lion charm to the other end of the chain so that they could both dangle in the center together. I forgot to mention one other ingredient in my witch's ball. I'll be adding this piece of snakeskin for transformation. Just as a snake sheds its skin to emerge renewed, using snakeskin in a spell symbolizes the shedding of old, unhealthy conditions and the transformation into a state of renewed health and vitality. I begin filling the ball with the hospital bracelet I wore during a period of illness that I feel as though I have never fully recovered from. This is a tag lock that associates me with the spell directly and channels the healing energy to the correct target. Next, I add the snakeskin for transformation. And sunstone for courage and success. I add the blue apatite because it can increase motivation and it's often used in spells for weight loss. And carnelian for personal power and vitality. An acorn for strength and untapped potential. Dried sunflower petals and a few faux flowers as well are a vibrant symbol of life, vitality, and positive energy. And I'm attaching the lion charm and clear quartz to the top of the inside of the ball with some glue. I close the ball and I charge it with my energy and intention. Then I tie it up with an orange ribbon, the color of success. I'm using a sigil I created for strength and health, and I'm transcribing the sigil onto a wooden base of an ornament hanger with an orange paint pen. In color magic, orange is used for relieving depression, increasing opportunities, and breaking down barriers. I'm assembling the ornament hanger and placing the ball on it so that I can display this magical working in a prominent place where I'll see it daily and add my energy to it as an ongoing working to bring me back to good health and strength. I've created a Book of Shadows page for this Healing Witch's Ball. It explains the magical correspondences of each item in the spell. If you'd like to download a printable PDF of this grimoire page, you can visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. Placed together with energy and intention added, these magical ingredients create a potent spell ball designed to transform bad health into good health. The snakeskin symbolizes the shedding of old unhealthy conditions, while the acorn and sunflower promote strength, growth, and positive energy. The apatite stone and quartz crystal work to clear negativity and amplify the healing energies of the spell. The image of a lion and sunstone bring courage, vitality, and resilience, while carnelian enhances physical health and emotional well-being. The hospital bracelet as a tag lock ensures the spell is personally directed, making the entire combination a powerful tool for invoking transformation and promoting a state of renewed health and vitality.